My name is Anslem Migwi. I'm ukipenda Kadansa Junior. Professionally, I'm an electrical engineer. Finishing up this August. Hobby-wise, mini dancer. Pia, I'm into photography pia. Me being a dancer, I do have a dance crew by the name of the Beat Architects Dance Movement. We are located pale Giakanza at a place called Tetu Technical and Vocational College. Ukihitaji ama namba zetu ziko hapo hivyo chini ya video ama pia kwa description utazipata hapo. For any events, road shows, rorashio, weddings, you name them. Tuko hapo. Kazi yetu ni ku entertain. So you feel free to call us at any time. Training sessions, just call me. I'll come. And we get to learn this art called dance pamoja. And this video was shot by KMK. Adios.